So good day, we are the student of FINMA. So I am Febby Clardy Manakil.
I'm Larabel Jane Magkanoy.
And I am Cara Pauline Macarasi. We are the nursing student of Southwestern University FINMA. So today we are going to discuss together with our trainee. Can you tell us your name, sir?
I'm Mr. Upal.
So we are going to discuss about the importance of physical fitness, its benefits, and our experiences. Fitness program is a structured plan designed to help individuals achieve their health and fitness goals through regular exercise and balanced nutrition. It starts with identifying your objectives, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, improved endurance, or overall wellness. By following structured fitness plan, you can enhance your physical health.
So there are benefits of exercises. So first is our physical. So in physical health, we improve our cardiovascular health and it. So sa cardiovascular health, it can reduce our heart disease. So example sa mga cardiovascular exercise is jogging, so running, so weight pa din nato mga reduce sa body weight. So yeah, sa strengthen muscles and bones, and sa immune system. In mental health po, maka-reduce po siya stress, anxiety, o depression. Kahit maka-reduce siya stress o anxiety tungkol sa endorphins nga i-release sa atong lawas. Ang sa social benefits, maka-interact ka sa mga klase-klaseng tao. So, pananglitan, gusto ka mag-gym. So, ato sa gym, daghan kang maka-interact dito. So, daghan kang makabit ng mga tao o mga opportunities po sa future ng mga tao.
So I don't know about them, but my experiences during our B1 school is that it made me feel very active, very light. Also, it alleviated my depression. It made me happy and made me lose weight, although I was not very, it wasn't that big, but at least I lose some weight. So can you tell us about your experiences while you were doing exercises or workout? Can you tell us what it made you feel? What was the turning point?
Siyempre, yun good, consistent. Talagang ang biyad lang ako kay Gana. Kay Gana, ako nabuhat. Padayon ka mo, pinakamahabot ko sa imong ganahan.
What was your turning point? Like, why did you do that?
Kaya ako makagin ng self-esteem. Pero, socialize pa na para sa mga public lugar. Uwaw sa awas pa na. Karoon po mo ng fit, diba? Functional. Kaya kung karaan lang ang pangkatan.
So, sa akong experience po sa pag-iwan na po is pahimuminog ka na mga fitness exercises. So, nag-himumig rest, o kung sa mga magbuhaton, yeah, every twice a week lang siya po pangbuhaton para ma-physically fit. Mga nurse, mga nursing student, nabago po kay grabe po. So, doon siya, kanang sa paminaw ikaw, I agree with you, dito sa paminaw, hindi pa ako pa nakagpuan kay mura kag, ikaw ba ni mo, kay mura kag, ay salamat bro, may naiba-ibang yung boy sa ako at
10 years baby, B1 and 2, takan tipang buhaton like cardiovascular and jog and I engaged to go sport and it also okay, since we're done with the discussion, the next thing we'll be doing is that we'll be finding a stranger who is willing to be our interviewee for this activity. So what are you waiting for? What are we waiting for? Let's start. Okay, so we have here our friend who will be our trainee in this activity. So can you tell us?
So my name is Jimmy Florence Usnar.
So together with our trainee, what questions do you have in your hand?
What type of lifestyle do you have at present and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
So my current lifestyle is involving balance on focusing on health, learning, and personal growth. I prioritize regular exercise playing basketball, I choose this lifestyle for my physical well-being.
What was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity and what keeps you motivated?
So I realize the importance of physical activity for my well-being. So what motivates me is the long-term benefits of physical activity for my overall health.
As an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
So my advice to someone that has no interest in physical activities, they should find some physical activities that they will make happy and for their mental and physical active health.
So I agree with him. Yan na siya nga, engaged na siya into sports which is basketball. So sa basketball, nalang yung mga benefits sa endurance, di ba? So dagan po siya kanang mga future na po, di ba? Magpadayon siya sa iyang pagkakas sa basketball. So kuwan siya sa mga PBA.
Mag-trip ko sa hingingon na mag-engage o mga physical activities. Dili matakulan nito o buka natog ma-overweight or napuyo sa point na di na ka mag-active na yung obese na ika. So, maka-affect po na sa mga daily nga mga baton na no. Sa mga taga tako na ika. So, importante yun mag-exercise.
All of us agree with his answer, especially when you're going to engage in sport or physical activities or workouts, any kinds of exercises. You will definitely get a lot of benefit from it.
So nahaman na mi og interview sa mga nakita ng stranger. So sir, thank you sa imong cooperation and time ug share sa imong mga experience about sa physical fitness. So mao na to tanan among sa kuan sa among trainee discuss sa trainee tanan-tanan na. So thank you for your time. Thank you.
For listening. That'll be all. Thank you.